everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is the Pride month, and yeah, I asked you guys on my Instagram few days back what I'm gonna do for this weekend's video, and it was a song or a Pride makeup. So half of you said Pride makeup and more than half of you said song. I am ready to do Pride makeup and ready to cheer all of the community. So let's get started. Alright, so my base is almost done. Now I'm gonna start with eye makeup, which is the highlight of Pride makeup. Alright guys, so eyeshadow is done on my one eye, but today I'm gonna do something really unusual which I've never done before. Not unusual, like it's a part of makeup, but I have never done it before. That is eyelashes. I'm gonna apply false eyelashes on my eyes, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I've never tried and never practiced as well. So today I'm gonna do that. Let's see what happens. Before that, I'm gonna apply eyeliner. guys, so my one eye is done almost, and yeah, I'll do my other eye and I'll come back. And now I'm gonna apply false eyelashes and a little bit of glitter on top of that, and it's all done. Yeah, this is silver eyeshadow what I'm gonna use at some areas of my eye, like here. Now it's time for false eyelashes and the real task started. So these are the eyelashes I'm gonna use. Oh my god, never ever done this before. Let's do this. So I'm gonna do this with my hand because I don't think so I can do it with tweezer. I did it. Whoa. Or I did it wrong. What do you say? Oh my god, I think I did it wrong. It's like a little backward. This is wrong. Let me do it again. This is for this one. That's the reason I saw smaller eyelashes. Those are for inner side. Okay, I'm gonna do it other side. I think I did it. But I'm feeling very weird. It's okay, it's done for a while for a makeup, and I hope you guys like my makeup with eyelashes. So let's do the other one. I'm not sure if it's right or not, but whatever, let's do the other one. It's all done, guys. I did it for the first time and I'm very happy I did it. And I am very happy today that I've applied these because, you know, it was a deal for me. Alright guys, so this is my eye makeup. It's all done. Now I'm gonna just do blush, bronzer and lips, and we are good for the Pride Day. Yay! Alright guys, so my makeup is done and I hope you will like it, and yeah, here's the closer look. Thank you so much for watching and happy Pride to all of you who are celebrating. And yeah, I consider myself the biggest, not biggest, like yes, one of the ally for LGBTQ community, and I spread lots and lots and lots and love for the community. I wish you all happy Pride and enjoy. Mwah.